We're constantly striving for individuality. No one wants to be the same as others. Everyone wants to be different. We look everywhere for ideas to make us unique. But in the process, we often forget that these ideas are there, inside us. We just need to give them space to unfold. In a place where we can rest and be ourselves, where we can find inspiration and be as unique as we are. A place that's much more than the start to the day or the prelude to the night. A place that helps us to be as individual as we like, and which contributes to our life every day.
Design. It has an aspiration, an attitude, a strong story. And we want to tell that story. About our responsibility to take responsibility. About our understanding of excellence and thinking things through down to the last detail. About our idea of well-being, right from the moment when you enter your bathroom. We want to show how design affects our emotions and how responsibility shapes our actions and how our products upgrade your everyday. Welcome to the Duravit Design Days. More design, more Duravit, more you.
A warm welcome to all of you from Hornberg. It's great to have you with us at the Duravit Design Days. And thanks to the power of the digital world, we can all come together now for some time. While today's meeting is a very happy occasion for us, I would like to take a moment to turn our attention to the dreadful events that are changing our world as we speak. We are all horrified by the terrible war in Ukraine. Our thoughts are with all the people affected and especially with our Ukrainian colleagues here. We hope that peace will prevail again as soon as possible. Let's focus on the positive things today and return to the purpose of our meeting. What brings us together and unites us all is our passion for bathrooms. And I know many of you share my passion for this oasis of individual well-being, personally and professionally. The time we spend in the bathroom impacts our entire day. We have all our own rituals. We are transitioned from day to night and vice versa, from me time to social life, from hard work to relaxation, from taking care of others to taking care of ourselves. We designed bathrooms to provide everyone the perfect space for their rituals. Our vision at Duravit is to be the first choice for bathroom living spaces. We upgrade people's everyday lives. That's our vision. That's what guides and drives us every day at Duravit. Last year's excellent results give us a lot of tailwinds. Turnover of 604 million euros is again the best in the history of our company, a 28% increase compared to 2020. How did we manage to do that? Firstly, we have taken advantage of the strong momentum of a booming industry to rapidly expand our capacities and to meet the increased demand. Secondly, we made structural changes which helped us to implement sales and marketing investments very quickly. Thirdly, remember the keyword democratization of our brand? The excellent launch of Dineo is a crucial success factor comparable to the Decode series in 2007. And on top of this, the acquisition of Bernstein, for example, has also contributed to our overall growth. And not least, The launch of the White Tulip series by Philippe Starck has proven and underpinned our global positioning as a lighthouse brand within the world of superior design. However, all this was only possible because of you. Our partners have joined our common journey of success by acting as ambassadors, supporting our brand values. On behalf of Duravit, I thank you from the bottom of my heart for this. Thank you. We look forward to working even more closely with you in the future. So let's not dwell too much into the past. Let's look ahead of us. We have ambitious goals, and together with you, we continue to be ahead of the curve. This means we are confident that we will achieve sales of 1 billion euros by 2025. And we will continue expanding our global production capacity. Our growth strategy has also a local context. We focus on regional production and procurement, not least for reasons of sustainability. We are investing in new technologies such as ranges of glass furniture. We are focusing even more on sustainability in the future. We are strengthening and expanding the faucet segment, for instance, with a new line designed by Philippe Starck. Year after year, we keep investing in fantastic new product ranges characterized by superior design, excellence, responsibility, and well-being. This morning, a colleague wished me good luck for the Duravit Design Days and told me how proud he is of everything we have achieved over the last year. That gave me chills, and again, I realized what makes Duravit so special. We have a long tradition as an independent family business with strong roots in the Black Forest. Nevertheless, today we employ people from 50 different nations. We are active in over 120 countries around the globe. That shapes our actions. Doing business sustainably means taking responsibility for our company, for our society, and for our habitat, our Earth. Together with a sustainability expert from Porsche Consulting, we have mapped out the way to increase sustainability. And we are moving purposefully towards our major goal of climate neutral production in 2045. Today, for example, we are working with the Black Forest National Park. We are helping local farmers increase the humus content of the soil to offset CO2 emissions. Beyond this, we aim for more. And that's why we are constantly reviewing our entire value chain to make further savings in energy and raw materials. We are already contributing by using green electricity for our kilns, recycling water in production, installing water-saving technology in our sanitary facilities, and using recycled raw materials. Sustainability is a topic we focus on in the future to leverage further potential together with you. More design, more Duravit, more you. That's our motto for this year's Duravit Design Days. What does it mean? Earlier, I presented our vision, first choice for bathroom living spaces. We upgrade people's everyday lives. An ambitious claim that we can only fulfill if our customers feel served perfectly. We achieve this by understanding their needs and desires when it comes to timeless design, excellence, well-being, and responsibility. We represent the desirable brand of bathroom experiences. That is reflected in our motto, more design. We are further expanding our long-standing successful collaboration with Philippe Starck. At the same time, we welcome new faces to the Duravit designer family. Today, we present our first collaboration with a new Duravit designer who is currently one of the shooting stars of the design community. Stay tuned to discover with us a new world of outstanding design. More Duravit. Like nobody else, we offer complete bathroom ranges. such as our new fantastic Duravit No.1 line. Just like one of our most successful Vero series, it was designed entirely in-house. Together, Duravit No.1 and Dineo are a strategic extension of our portfolio. We are democratizing our brand without neglecting our core values. More you, dear customer and partners, you are unique. You have your own personality, which we respect and value. That's why we aim for incorporating your desires into our design. Full ranges, such as White Tulip designed by Philippe Starck, are examples for this. Now let's start our novelty presentation. Design expert and trend scout Camilla Biasio will take you on a journey through the world of Duravit. Welcome, Camilla, to us here in Hornberg. It's fantastic to have you here.
Thank you so much for having me. It's a pleasure.
So how do you feel today?
I feel very excited because we are going on a trip.
Wow. So I've heard already you are going to travel. Is this true?
This is so true. And I'm going to take all of you along on a beautiful ride through Europe.
So have fun.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Earlier, Stefan Thai told us how Duravit is now focusing even more strongly on sustainability, right?
That's true, but that's how I've always known Duravit. We're detail people. For example, we're constantly working on optimising flush and flow rates. We treat water at all of our facilities. In our central warehouse, we only use electric trucks with lead-free batteries. We use water-based paint for our furniture, and we encourage local for local manufacturing processes. And these are just a few examples. One way our customers can see the fruits of these efforts is in the lifetime warranty that we offer on ceramics in many countries. What's more, all our furniture finishes have sustainable PEFC certification, and the furniture is made in Germany.
All right, the furniture is made in Germany, but we are in England, so Claire, I would say let's go to the showroom.
You know we always hit the bullseye. Yeah, everybody that's in the box, step it up, but don't sweat it. I don't know about you, but we're ready. They tell me, yeah, I'm a gem. What? I'm elemental, straight in my jacket, yeah, I'm a hella mental, and I want to get a pencil. Better take notes, better lay low. Red, white, pinstripe, all laced up. Rise and heat, feel the heat, feel the hunger. Heads high, eyes wide, we can't stop. Line it up and take a shot. You know we always hit the bullseye. Even if we don't even try. Yeah, even if it doesn't our eyes. You know we always hit the bullseye. Hey, everybody that's on the sidelines, forget it. Just remember, if you want to be number one, I gotta tell you.
Welcome to our showroom in London.
To be honest, Claire, it's such a beautiful showroom, and I think we are about to witness a premiere, is that right?
That's correct. The first complete designed by Duravit bathroom series, which is called Duravit No.1. It includes ceramics, faucets, furniture, and bathtubs, because we believe that everyone should be able to feel like number one. And Duravit No.1 makes that possible. Here we have a product range in the entry-level segment that's excellent value for money. And for even more comfort, one of our most popular toilet models, the DuraStyle Basic, has been included in the series, making it even easier to order everything at once. And yet another premiere, For the first time, we're offering our lifetime warranty on ceramics on an entry-level range. The furniture is made in Germany. It comes in matte white and, as you see here, graphite matte. And look at the recessed grip. It's seamlessly integrated into the decor fronts. Really a pleasure to open. And for extra storage space, there are even semi-tall cabinets and matching mirror cabinets. Matching faucets are also available. These sport an equally contemporary and modern design with a dynamic upward pointing handle. They can even be equipped with optional intelligent and sustainable functions such as Fresh Start, which is energy saving cold water start, or Minus Flow, which limits the flow to 3.5 litres per minute. The highlight has to be the trapezoid built-in acrylic bathtub, which are pretty special at this price point. Although the bathtub has been designed for small bathrooms, it offers comfort big style. And there are also rectangular bathtubs in standard sizes. The spacious floor area of the bathtubs is also ideal for showering. All in all, the series exudes a philosophy of life, young, urban, with a focus on quality. Why don't we take a look at the film?
Yes, we do. Claire, I really like it because everything is such a perfect match, right?
But it can also be individually tailored to suit you. For example, we have a new furniture program that offers a wide range of combination options. Yes, it's so new, it hasn't even arrived in London yet. It's called Keitho 2. The original Keitho range was so successful that we worked with designer Christian Werner to create a new edition, naturally made in Germany. Keitho 2 is available in a new streamlined look with subtle continuous strip handles in anthracite for the ultimate ease of use. There are 15 different finishes in a range of price categories. These can be combined with 3 ceramic ranges, also from all price segments.
Well, I think the anti-fingerprint coating is just brilliant.
Yes, you don't really see any fingerprints on the super matte surfaces, and the furniture is also sustainably certified. You can expand the storage space by adding matching tall cabinets, semi-tall cabinets and wall shelves. And there are also mirrors and mirror cabinets with LED lighting. The highlight intensity is glare-free and you have the option of controlling it via an app or sensors. In fact, the light is so good that it can even be used as the main light source without any dazzling.
Well, thanks, Claire. I'm already impressed and also very excited to see what other innovations are in store. Well, ladies and gentlemen, as we have just seen, Duravit has an extraordinarily wide product range, a very diverse portfolio. But we do not only offer great products, we also have a large amount of reference around the world. Benvenuti a Milano.
White tulips. Naturally, they always remind me of the White Tulip range. That's the name of the first complete bathroom Philip Stack created for Duravit. 2 styles are on offer: nature, which is inspired by natural themes, and culture as an expression of cultivated urban living. What links the two is the extraordinary shape of the ceramics, bathtubs and faucets that trace the organic silhouette of a tulip in bloom. This is contrasted by the extremely straight line and precision manufactured furniture pieces that are available as single color units in 10 different lacquers. Alternatively, light or dark solid wood can be chosen for the front. An absolute highlight of the series is the circular bathtub with a diameter of 1400 millimeters. And of course, the faucet. This is the first faucet Philippe Starck has created for Duravit, and it's also inspired by the shape of the tulip. With its finely polished surface, it makes a statement in terms both of its look and feel.
We have already seen series from outstanding designers like Philippe Starck and Christian Werner, with whom Duravit has been collaborating for quite some time. This year we've also welcomed a new designer to the Duravit family, who we are delighted to have with us. He's from Germany and is currently in demand around the world, being among other things the Edida Designer of the Year 2021. Materials and textures are really important to him, and he also has an extraordinary instinct for color. Can you guess who it is? I'm talking about Sebastian Herkner.
For me, Sencha is like a gesture of embrace, of welcome, but also of winding down, of deceleration. Because design is about the senses. It's all about feeling, seeing, tasting, perceiving, and I think we've succeeded very well with Sencha. So, the last few years have brought me many trips to Asia, and of course, the tea ceremony is crucial in the culture. Also, the tea bowl with its very organic shape. And that was a major inspiration for me and my team. For several weeks, we have worked to find the right silhouette, curve, with this fine lip at the top, which is also a gesture, as if you want to take the bowl in your hand. Then, of course, there is also the ritual of body cleansing, as you know it in Asia, for example. So really, consciously going into the bath, cleansing the body. So it's really a ceremony, similar to a tea ceremony. That was definitely one of the aspects that were important to us during the development together with Duravit. It is important to me to use authentic materials, so wood, ceramics, glass. In this case, also a structured glass that plays with lights and shadow, with reflections, because this authenticity, I think, is part of the harmony of the whole creation of this bathroom. And I think Sencha can be interpreted individually. As a designer, I provide the stage, of course, but how you ultimately dance on it is up to you.
The design language of Sencha is based on a unique concept. The range conceives the bathroom as a place of mindfulness and focuses on high-quality materials. The unusually shape-above counter basin, made from Duraceram, come with a lifetime warranty. The freestanding bathtub, made from Durasolid, have a pleasantly velvety look and feel, and the precision manufactured modular furniture is made in Germany.
The basins, which come in 3 different colors, are designed as a camper rectangle that tapers upwards with an elegant curve. The bathtubs simulate this shape and are available as a square or rectangular version. The furniture is highly versatile thanks to its attractive storage space. The furniture carcass is similarly available in 3 colors. Additionally, customizable furniture fronts come in high-quality glass or wood, which is particularly pleasant to the touch. The mirrors emulated the contour of the square basins.
Hello, Camilla.
Hello to Shanghai. Nice to meet you.
I am Mr. Xi Shao from Shanghai. I understand that you are currently traveling through Europe to experience the best new products from Duravit. But please don't forget the technology. Here in China, we are always at the forefront of technology. So I wanted to remind you of a very successful product by Philippe Starck, the SensoWash Starck F shower toilet. It is a combination of WC and bidet for natural cleaning and hygienic cleanliness. Design and function perfectly combined, and the functions are extensive. Comfort shower, seat heating, automatic opening and closing, and even nightlight. Optionally, you can save energy with the automatic standby function. Everything your heart desires.
Yes, that's right. And of course, it's all perfectly designed in a pared-down aesthetic with integrated technology, designed by Philippe Starck. Thank you so much for calling. Bye-bye to Shanghai. And I'm going to find out what else Philippe Starck has designed for us. Bonjour, Paris. We will see some new creations by Philippe Starck. The first product he described as timeless, elegant and affordable. Let's have a look.
Tulum, the new faucet range by Philippe Starck, positioned in the mid-price segment, is minimalistic, adaptable, and comes in iconic design. The proportions are balanced, lending it an air of calm and elegance. It's pleasant to the touch thanks to its long, easy-to-operate handle. Tulum comes in matte black and chrome. The wash basin mixers are available in 3 sizes, and the range even includes matching exposed and flush-mounted faucets and a freestanding bath mixer. The full range.
Bonjour chers amis, des amis, de nos amis, de Duravit, du design, des robinets, de tout ce que vous voulez, n'importe comment, l'important c'est que l'on soit amis. Alors, je voudrais vous parler de notre dernier bébé qui s'appelle Tulum. Je ne peux pas vous expliquer le nom parce que c'est bien trop compliqué et surtout parce qu'on ne connaît pas la raison. Mais l'objet, oui, on connaît la raison. En fait, un jour, il y a monsieur et madame Duravit qui sont venus me voir et qui m'ont dit « C'est bien, mon petit Philippe, tu dessines bien, c'est très joli ce que tu fais, mais c'est très cher. » Alors, il y a des gens, tu sais, dans la vie, mon petit Philippe, qui ont beaucoup d'argent. Ils n'ont aucun problème, ces gens-là. Il y a d'autres qui ont un petit peu moins, c'est pas de leur faute, c'est parce qu'ils n'étaient pas spécialement intéressés à gagner de l'argent, c'est pas le but de leur vie. Mais ils aimeraient bien avoir un bon robinet, surtout dessiné par toi, mon petit Philippe. Alors est-ce que tu pourrais faire aussi beau, mais quand même un petit peu moins cher, afin que tout le monde puisse se l'offrir, que ce soit un produit diagonal, un produit démocratique. Alors, c'était pas facile. C'était pas facile, je leur ai même demandé est-ce qu'il y avait des astuces techniques, des choses comme ça. Oui. Alors j'ai compris et j'ai pris mon petit papier, mon petit crayon, je me suis tordu le cerveau pour faire un objet encore plus beau que les autres et quand même moins cher afin que moi, vous, on puisse les acheter. Alors le Tulum, le voilà. Donc c'est difficile de faire mieux en dessin, vous pouvez me croire. C'est difficile de faire mieux en qualité. C'est Duravit. C'est difficile de faire moins de matière. C'est difficile de faire moins d'énergie pour transformer la matière. C'est difficile de faire moins de tout. Et c'est parce que on a voulu faire moins de tout que cet objet est universel, éternel, diagonal et va faire notre bonheur à tous, sans en oublier aucun. Ça, c'est l'histoire du petit Tulum. C'est le dernier bébé. Merci beaucoup.
I'm on my way to the Salon d'Eau to meet Victoire. Let's have a look what else Paris has got in store for us.
Water is like a home to me. As soon as I come into contact with water, I feel in my element. I feel somehow at ease. I've been surfing since I was a kid. The shallow movements of the sea, that calmness, and then the energy that is suddenly released when the waves break and hit the land. You feel the flow. You can really sense how they carry you along, give you strength. Each wave is unique. There is only one of it. It's always something really special. And then there is a feeling afterwards. You are somehow totally fulfilled and satisfied. Simply happy. You realize that you don't need much. The reduction to the essentials. The thing you really like should be with you every day.
Now for even more design from Philippe Starck, again in the mid-price segment. Soleil by Starck is a compact program with versatile combination options that includes ceramic items and bathtubs. The series generates a timelessly modern, natural ambience with its fine lines and gentle aesthetics. It offers plenty of flexibility in terms of room design thanks to its ability to be combined with furniture from a range of price categories. A standout feature of the range is the gently raised edge design of the wash basins and acrylic built-in bathtubs, not to mention the balanced proportions of the storage area and basin size. Of course, there's another lifetime warranty on the ceramics here. The toilets feature the innovative hygiene flush technology and the antibacterial ceramic hygiene glaze for maximum hygiene. The highlight of the range is the freestanding bathtub made from Dura Solid.
We already have seen a lot by Philippe Starck, and now let's have a look what he's got to say.
Mes amis, mes amis, mes amis de mes amis du design de Duravit, suis-je bête? J'avais oublié encore une chose, j'avais oublié de vous parler de soleil. Pourtant, le soleil, comment l'oublier? Alors, soleil, c'est à propos de nous, parce que finalement, il n'y a que nous qui sommes intéressants, l'humain, le vivant. Et c'est à propos de nous, c'est même une histoire, une petite réflexion sur l'harmonie chimique de nous, les humains, notre corps, avec la nature et en particulier avec un des plus grands éléments qui s'appelle l'eau. Alors vous le savez, tout le monde le sait, nous sommes faits à 92%, je crois, d'eau. Est-ce que c'est pour cela que l'on cherche une sorte d'osmose avec l'eau? Toute notre vie, on rechercherait l'eau. Alors c'est pour ça qu'on boit de l'eau, pas que, ceci dit. On va à la plage nager, on va plonger, puis on va prendre des douches, on va prendre des bains. Il y a cette recherche de l'eau permanente, il y a cette recherche du contact de l'eau, comme si on voulait un contact électrique, un retour, je le répète, osmotique avec l'eau, avec la mer. Alors, j'aime beaucoup ce rapport avec l'eau. Moi, je ne vis que à côté de l'eau ou sur l'eau, je ne peux pas m'en passer. Et quand je suis tout près de l'eau, comme ici en ce moment, je marche sur la plage et je vois les grosses vagues. Elles sont très fortes, très puissantes. Et quand elles arrivent près de la plage, eh bien petit à petit, elles deviennent amicales. Elles deviennent très douces. Elles deviennent gentilles. Et quand l'eau commence à ralentir comme ça, 5 cm, 2 cm, 1 cm, 5 mm, 3 mm, 1 mm et disparaît. Et là, il y a une vraie douceur. Il y a quelque chose d'absolument émouvant dans cette disparition lente et douce. Et j'ai voulu faire un produit pour vous, pour nous, qui exprime cette infinie douceur, cette infinie gentillesse. Alors, c'est très simple pour l'expliquer en croquis, ce que je viens de vous expliquer. Vous voyez, là, vous avez l'eau, la mer. Puis là, vous avez la terre. Je vais même continuer d'ailleurs, par une ligne droite. Et là, vous avez la plage qui arrive. Ce dont on parle, c'est ici. Et donc, le produit dont on parle, le soleil, c'est ça. C'est pouvoir se lever le matin et même pas réveillé, toucher comme ça par hasard, inconsciemment, ce lavabo, le soleil, et retrouver cette infinie douceur. Donc j'ai fait, ici, si on fait à grandeur réelle le lavabo, c'est plat, la mer, puis après, il y a la plage qui monte, et après c'est la fin. Tout soleil, c'est dans ce moment ici, dans cet angle de 3 ou 4 degrés, je ne me rappelle plus exactement. Et c'est toute la beauté de l'entre-les-deux qu'il y a entre les marées hautes, les marées basses. C'est là que se fait la vie, c'est là que tout existe. Donc voilà, soleil, c'est pour nous rappeler en permanence que l'on a besoin, que nous sommes infiniment gentils. Et nous avons besoin de cette infinie gentillesse, cette infinie douceur. Merci. J'ai peut-être encore oublié quelque chose, mais on verra après.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, this was a very special and also unique travel through the world of Duravit. Let's enjoy the highlights of this journey together. We started in London, where Claire showed us the first complete design by Duravit bathroom series with rectangular wash basins, furniture with an integrated recessed grip, trapezoid bathtubs and wash basin mixes with intelligent, sustainable functions. The second highlight was the redesigned furniture classic Keitho 2, with its recessed grip in anthracite and diverse options for finishes and ceramic combinations, with matching mirrors and mirrored cabinets. In Milan, we met Giordano, who told us about White Tulip, the first complete bathroom from Philippe Starck for Duravit with its extraordinary shapes. Together with Chiara, he presented the first bathroom design from Sebastian Herkner with very special above-counter basins, high-quality modular furniture and freestanding bathtubs that are pleasant to behold and to touch. The technology highlight SensoWash Starck F with comfort-enhancing functions and perfectly integrated technology was presented directly from Shanghai. Last but definitely not least, we saw two new designs by Philippe Starck. The universally deployable faucet range Tulum by Starck in the mid-price segment with its monolithic design. Victoire showed us the other new Starck series, also in the mid-price segment. The compact Soleil by Starck range can be flexibly combined with wash basins and bathtubs. Duravit offers a lifetime warranty on the ceramics of these ranges in many countries. More design, more Duravit, more you. Duravit, upgrade your everyday.